More grind, more hustle, more pain, more struggle. More hustle, more struggle. Sometimes you can't escape your trouble. Sometimes you just can't escape your trouble. More grind, more hustle, more pain, more struggle. More hustle, more struggle. Sometimes you can't escape your trouble. Sometimes you can't escape your trouble.
I was broke on the double, trying to get it up, losing money every single day. I was in trouble. Situation were changing up, and didn't know if I'd be alive or end up dead up in the rubble. So many people our age don't come around. I'ma tell you, a lot of niggas they.
Alright, what's good, Fit Fam? Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys for checking in. Take this shit off. Thank you guys for checking this always. So today is November 11th. You know what that is? It is Veterans Day. So we got a Veterans Day, another Veterans Day full day eating vlog. Salute to all my veterans out there, past, present, and future. But before we do that, before we go pig out, before I go gain 15 pounds, I did weigh myself in. I'll show you guys that right now. Weighed in at 265. I'm not losing weight, but I am losing the body fat, which is exactly what I wanted to do first before the weight start coming off. So it is what it is. Anyways, about to head to Fitness Connection first. Gonna take y'all in for a Delton arm session. I'm not gonna record everything because I'm not gonna be here nothing but an hour. Just give y'all the main parts. The main focus of this is to get to the food. So gotta get my session in first. So with that, talk to you guys in a few. Let's work. This whole fresh. Look. That car fresh. Look what car that is. That whole fresh. Just saying. Family, so session is complete. It is time to go eat. Yeah, man, I'm gonna hit up the usual spots. If you've been watching these vlogs, I'm gonna hit the same exact spots. that I hit. Nothing's gonna change. Just maybe some more food that I haven't ate. But first place is gonna be BJ's. Love BJ's, guys. Love it, love it, love it. But yeah, let's go eat, man. It's gonna be another epic day of a Veterans Day vlog and eating. Let's go, chow. One thing I forgot, guys, in the restaurant, you gotta scan this to get the menu. Luckily, I already know what I want, so it's coming out in a few more minutes. For one, bison burger. Hey, with all the trimmings, man. Barbecue bison burger with fries and Dr. Pepper. I told you guys, it wasn't gonna be a good eating. I'm telling you, I'm finna pig out. First meal of the day, man. Finna chow and dig into this. Oh yeah. Meal one complete, family. Done and done. Tore that up. Amazing as always. Man. Now we'll go straight to meal two.
Like that, you got an attitude because I'm supposed to wait on you. Whatever. I can't wait on you and I got stuff to be doing.
Get in here and eat then. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, bye. Meal number 3, guys. Appreciate it. I appreciate it, sir. Appreciate that. Pizza wings. I don't know about that one. Meal number 3. Buffalo Wild Wings, guys. 10-piece honey barbecue wings with the fries. Got a cup of the agua right there. Probably would not touch. Probably gonna put this on the side. I'm actually gonna get to someone else. So I'm probably gonna eat like 2 or 3 of these wings at the most. So meal number 3. 1 wing, guys. I am done. I cannot do anything else. 1 wing out of all this done deal. I'm officially stuffed now. Yeah. This year did not go like I wanted to. I got full off that bison burger and I was done for. So take this home and let's see where the road leads us next. Rudy, why are you trying to get all the attention, bro? I'll clean my rug, guys, I know. Why are you trying to get all the attention, bro? Rudy. So that you guys know, I did not eat everything. I just absolutely could not. That bison burger filled me all the way up. So I still have the wings. I can open it, guys. I can show you. So I have the wings. I'm probably gonna get these to my bestie. She says she wants them, and she has that pregnancy craving. She's about to pop. So probably give her those. And then I still only had 1 of the crispy chicken. TGI usually they had a $12.95 and under. You can get it free, but now it's just 3 items. Either the burger, the ribs, or the chicken crispers. Last year I got the ribs. This year I wanted to get the chicken crispers, so I still have all this left to eat. So no, guys, it may not be a full day of eating. I might eat everything, but I probably will eat most of this. Now, the thing is, it may not be done, guys. I think I'm gonna go out to one more spot tonight. That's either probably gonna be Chili's and get something to eat there. Right now I'm at the house chilling. I still gotta go to the store. Probably take y'all there for the ride. And yeah, so we'll continue this day of eating. Hope you guys enjoyed so far. Click that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. Rudy, stop crying. You're not going outside.